Hello guys! So today we talked about activities which you can do on quarantine. I'm going to read this text for you. Please practice reading this text and try to remember it. And tomorrow when we have class in Zoom, please tell me, what do you do on quarantine? I am on quarantine. I do house chores. I vacuum my house. I wash my dishes. I clean my house. I work out in my house. I listen to music. I watch the news. I do not go to school. I study online. I text my friends. I chat with my friends online. I sometimes go to a store. I order a meal online. I play games with my family. I go to bed early. I go to bed late. I sometimes go to a cafe. I cannot go to a restaurant. Restaurants are closed now. So tell me tomorrow how you spend your time on quarantine. Thank you.